How come nobody told me baby hiccups were the cutest thing ever? And it's huge. It's the size of my torso. I don't know if I ever properly showed you guys my kitchen yet, but it's almost the exact same layout. Like this is almost the same. I had to move the toaster from up there to down there because I simply can't reach up there. Like even to get to the oven, I have to use a step stool. The cutest cream cheese container you'll ever see in your life. You can get different kinds of cream cheese here. Like look at this one. It's like chocolate infused cream cheese. OMG. Hey guys, good morning. I'm about to eat breakfast. T's still upstairs sleeping. Focus. T's still upstairs sleeping, so I'm gonna have to wear headphones and watch some stuff on the computer. Face wash. I'm gonna get ready now. But I bought this last weekend when Ariana was here. It's the NYX Total Control Mesh Cushion Foundation. This is apparently new, and I'm gonna do a review on this. I still have to pick up the Maybelline one too and do a review on that. Excited. I'm not going to use this today though because I bought recently the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, or Studio Concealer, and I find it oxidizes a lot. So I don't want to use this all over my whole face if it oxidizes too much and then it's not my color at all and then I have to like be stuck outside with it. So I'm going to do this tomorrow when it's rainy and film that. Yeah, anyway, let's get ready. Finished. Let's go change clothes. Little Roomba's going. Bye, Roomba. Yeah, so today I'm going to meet Sarah for the first time since I first met Sarah and Mary. I'm so excited to see Mary. Anyway, let me change. Today's outfit's very casual. I got my little John Lennon sunglasses on, Adidas t-shirt, jean jacket. Because the temperature has gone down quite a bit, so it's not as hot. And then I have these polka dot, really wide leg pants on that I bought from GU. Let's go. Okay, I just arrived at the station. I can smell McDonald's. I'm totally tempted to get it. I've decided on Family Mart. Would you like a rice ball with some fish on top? So I have arrived at Sarah's home. Sarah, do you want to say hi?
Sure.
Hi, long time no see, right?
Yeah.
I know, you guys. Sarah's alive. She's doing well. Her parents came here. They left. And look who we have. Oh, she's talking to you. Mary. Mary. Trying to fight sleep over there. Oh my god, look. She's falling asleep. She's like, no, I'm not. You called me out? I'm just in heaven over here. Sarah was showing me the clothes that she's gonna dress Mary in tomorrow because it's gonna rain, and I'm like dying over these little socks. They're so cute. Ovaries are exploding. I'm just gonna chat to Sarah and she's gonna fill me in about everything that's going on that has been happening. I feel like I haven't seen Sarah in forever. I'm used to seeing her like twice a month.
Yeah.
Something like that. I was going through withdrawal. He's so sweet. I'm in heaven. Hasn't she changed so much? Oh, Mary. Don't stop. We're hoping that she's gonna fall asleep. AKA, I'm hoping she's gonna fall asleep on me. I got Mary spit on me. I was branded. I'm accepted. I'm so weird. She's so precious. It's so cute. It's so cute when she like sucks it and then stops and then starts again. Yeah. How come nobody told me baby hiccups were the cutest thing ever? Adorable. We're on a walk. Little Mary's taking a nappy nap. There she is, way in there. Taking a walk to a waterfall. Well, Sarah's taking me somewhere. Waterfall, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Actually, this is actually really cute. Where am I?
I don't know.
Where am I? I've been transported. I'm like in a Ghibli movie. I now associate everything with Ghibli movies. A little bridge up there. Definitely smells like a farm. Right?
It might be like manure from a farm or something.
Yeah. I knew I smelt farm. There's a little cow in there. Oh, by little I mean big. There's actually multiple. This is a whole little farm over here. Okay. Yummy, y'all. Don't throw your garbage in the river. So we found this book just sitting here. It looks a little bit suspicious. Oh, shall we? Oh, it's a manga one, just with a super suspect cover. Okay, so I'm back home now and I'm about to make dinner. It is about 6:50. We're gonna eat the cold noodles today. You might have seen me make this before. Love this. It's like sesame flavored cold noodle salad. You need imitation crab, ham, shredded egg, and cucumber. All finished cold sesame noodle salad. That's T's. That's mine. Dinner's all finished. T and I ended up watching this like documentary thing called Burlesque, Heart of the Glitter Tribe, and suddenly I want to be a burlesque dancer. Or suddenly like I feel like I want to watch a burlesque show. So I got on my phone and started like Googling around for a burlesque show in Tokyo, and apparently there's one in Roppongi, but I wonder if females are allowed to enter, because some of those things, like there's actually a strip club in Yokohama, but women aren't allowed to enter, and I almost wonder if like women are allowed to enter this either. If we can, I kind of want to go. Like a girls' night at a burlesque club will be so fun. Anyway, it's about that time in the night for me to take my makeup off. Sadly, my Clinique thing ran out. This one, Take the Day Off Clinique, is out. Look at it. This is my second one gone. And I wish they weren't so expensive because I love it. There's nothing really else here that I can find like that, unless you guys know a Japanese brand that has like a balm to take off makeup. Let me know down below. NYX has one, but every time I go into NYX in Harajuku, it's never there. It's out of stock. So I'm gonna have to use these Bifesta makeup wipes. These ones have oil in them, so they should be all right. We shall see. Also, I ran out of sheets. This one I think is a lot bigger and thicker and softer, while these ones are the ones that I usually get, and this 2-pack is like 200 yen. But this one, the 1-pack here of 70, like they both have 70. So this has technically 140 together, and this is 70. Yet this is 200 yen, and this is 300 yen. These ones look pretty good though. Like, look at them. I'm gonna use this to take off my makeup with micellar water. And yeah. Oh, I don't like the feeling of that on my dry hands. No, 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 no. I have a thing with my hands feeling dry and touching things like this. Chalkboards and chalk are the worst. I'm about to watch Wendy Williams.
Oh, all right, let's get started.
Showered, all ready for bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. Hey guys, good morning. It's gonna rain this afternoon, so Tia and I woke up early and we're gonna head into Costco right now. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna film on this camera. I'm gonna use my iPhone camera to film just because you never know how much stuff you gotta carry home from Costco. So let's go. Where's Costco? There it is. Bye, Costco. Apparently, really heavy rain is coming, so hopefully we can make it home before the super heavy rain hits. Back from Costco now, and this is bag number 1, my Canada bag. Some of you guys have asked me before to do like a grocery haul or a Costco haul, so let's just do this now because I have a bunch of stuff from Costco that I got, also stuff from the regular Japanese grocery store, so it makes sense to do it now. Let's move to the other side. First, from the Japanese grocery store, got this gigantic bottle of Coca-Cola Zero. This is a 2-liter bottle. You can't always find 2-liter bottles in Japan. And then I got T's juices because he loves to drink juice. We got some peach juice, we got some apple juice. And then I got 2 things of iced black coffee, 45% off soy milk. And then Hayashi pork. Love this stuff. This actually lasts like a couple days when you make it. And it's cheap. All you need is onion, this, and pork, and done. I also got a big thing of cucumbers. And then got some grapes. From regular Costco, I got 100% all beef patties here. I actually separated them into 2. And then, because last time I got the huge salt and vinegar bag of potato chips and T didn't eat them all, I let T choose the bag of chips, so he picked this one, and it's huge. It's the size of my torso. Let's get, for reference, that's how big the bag of chips are. I decided to get a huge thing of rolled oats. I like to use this for overnight oats. And then we picked up a huge thing of celery. I got a huge thing of pima, like little tiny green peppers. And then these are T's favorite sausages. 1 pack of these is like 600 yen, but I got 2 for 1,000 yen at Costco, and they're cheese filled. Like, these sausages are so freaking good. Love them. Next, I wanted to try these, gyoza, but they're different. They have kimchi inside, so it's like kimchi meat gyoza. I love myself some kimchi, and these look real good. So I got this huge thing of bacon. Like, this is what Japanese bacon looks like. There's no like maple flavor, or it's not thin. It's quite thick and fat. And I want to cut it all up and put it into little tiny servings. So I like to use bacon not only for breakfast sometimes, but cut it up and put it into pasta. I got the chicken Caesar salad from Costco because we're going to eat this tonight. Then the last thing is I bought hamburger buns because you can't get hamburger buns like anywhere around me. They're so hard to find. Like hot dog buns you can kind of find, but hamburger buns, good luck. So I'm going to freeze these. Finish! The rain came. I'm gonna start dinner now. Oh, the drama I'm starting is Evil Genius. Some of you guys messaged me on Instagram being like, girl, Evil Genius is out. And I'm like, I've been waiting. Like, some of you guys know me so well. You know that I love these kind of dramas. Dinner's chicken Caesar salad with ebi cheese gratin.
Within our jurisdiction, and being a bank
And then all the rain came. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. If you liked it, subscribe down below, all that jazz. This vlog is a little long, so sorry about that. I don't know if you guys prefer longer vlogs or shorter vlogs. Let me know down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, thanks, good night.